The sneaker dilemma, white or black. The sneaker dilemma, white or black. The sneaker dilemma, white or black. Explore the key differences between white and black sneakers with stunning visuals, direct comparisons, and expert styling tips. Find out which one best suits your look and personality. Should I choose white or black sneakers? What's your style? Split the screen into two sections. Timeless, elegant, easy to match. Bold, modern, hides stains better. Key benefits. White, versatility, fresh look, perfect for summer. Black durability, low maintenance, ideal for winter. Style and outfit examples. Show images of